in this part I will tell you about the Constituent Assembly, a galaxy of the best Indians. So when Nehru objective he was resolute to make the free constitution, he gathered some people. The name of the people are like Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mrs. Sarojini Naidu and Sardar Baldev Singh. These were the important members and who gave the guidance, the discussion in the Constituent Assembly, how to make the constitution. There were more than 30 members belonging to the scheduled caste. Minorities like the Anglo-Indian had Frank Anthony as their representative. The Parsi community was represented by H.P. Modi. Some constitution experts like Aladi Krishna Swami Iyer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, K.M. Munshi were also there. Mrs. Sarojini Naidu and Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, the two leading women of India, were also in Constituent Assembly. They came from different communities and regions, areas, representing different political parties. Best legal experts were its members at the time, and these are called a galaxy of the best Indian to make the constitution. Next, the appointment of the drafting committee. On 29th August 1947, the Constituent Assembly appointed a drafting committee. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed as the chairman of the committee. Important members were included in these N. Gopalaswamy Iyer, Alagi Krishna Swami Iyer, K.M. Munshi and Syed Muhammad Sardullah were its members. The drafting committee coordinating the reports of the Constituent Assembly. On 21st February 1947, it presented the first report of the draft constitution at the time. It was then discussed in the Constituent Assembly. After making these people, the members of this draft committee, they have just worked design the report and the draft at the time, and it was discussed after in Constituent Assembly. Passage of the Constitution. After the discussion with the galaxy of the best Indians, when they have just made a draft constitution was presented to the Constituent Assembly on 4th November 1948. So, first discussion on the draft was held again from 4th December to 9th December 1948. Many amendments were done. Amendments means many changes were done. Thereafter, each article of the draft constitution was properly discussed and debated in the Constituent Assembly. First they have written and designed, after they have discussed, debated on that. From 15 November 1948 to 17 October 1949 it was discussed. The members moved 7,635 amendments and changes were there. Discussion on 2,473 amendment motion was held at the time. Then from 14 November 1949 to 26 November 1949, the final discussion on the draft constitution was held. Then draft constitution was finally passed on 26 November 1949 after when all have given the agreement on this draft. When it was signed by the President of the Constituent Assembly, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and other members have signed on it, and it was declared after that.